Hey, if your DLC in Tinfoil isn't working or isn't showing up in your games, yeah, that can be really frustrating. But don't worry. In this guide, I'll walk you through the main fixes so your DLC works properly again. First, make sure the DLC matches the version of your game. If the game version and DLC version don't match, it won't work. Update your game or download the correct version of the DLC if needed. Next, check that the DLC is installed. Sometimes it may be in your library, but not fully installed. Install or reinstall the DLC to make sure all files are in place. Sometimes the launcher doesn't recognize new DLC immediately. Refresh the Tinfoil library and restart the game. This often resolves recognition issues for DLC content. Corrupted temporary files can prevent DLC from showing up. After clearing the cache, restart Tinfoil and launch the game again. Ensure Tinfoil has permission to access storage and that you have enough free space for DLC content. Insufficient storage or restricted access can prevent DLC from installing or running. So, yeah, checking game compatibility, reinstalling DLC, refreshing the library, clearing cache, and verifying permissions usually fixes DLC issues in Tinfoil. After these steps, your downloadable content should work perfectly.